you hold tons of inventory, it will solve all of your problems, right? Wrong. It will solve many problems, but it may cause other problems as well. It is fairly common knowledge that carrying extra inventory will lower ordering costs. This is because with excess inventory on hand, orders for inventory do not need to be placed frequently. This is not the only impact of excess inventory, though. Indeed, when you carry excess inventory, your ordering costs will go down, but your carrying costs will also go way up. You need space, racking, packing, and advanced techniques to manage larger amounts of inventory. On the other hand, lowering inventory without the use of systems like Kanban and effective replenishment techniques can cause your ordering costs to go through the roof. You see, less inventory means you need to replenish more frequently. It also means that your carrying costs will go down. As you can see, inventory management is a balancing act. Lower inventory too much, and you will be going crazy trying to manage replenishment. Likewise, carrying too much inventory, and you tie up resources that may be used in other more effective ways. Companies must be aware of the impacts that may occur as they adjust item-level inventory levels. It is important to remember that every company will be very different. For example, a make-to-order company that has longer lead times and exists in an industry that builds complex parts may be able to manage carrying next to no inventory, while an assemble-to-order environment may need to keep buffers of components on hand. Each company should look to manage inventory in ways that work for them. Strategies like Lean, Six Sigma, and even the theory of constraints can help too. Now, before we go, we'd like to ask you a question. What would happen to your company if you lowered or increased your inventory? Share your thoughts in the community, upcoming assignments section, or with someone at your place of work. We look forward to seeing you in the next module.